Alright, now let's talk about the next command in Unix or Linux based system. So in this video let's talk about the cat command, which is use concatenate file and the standard output. So you can use cat command to print the content of the file or concatenate file. So in the current directory, let's clear the screen and I will open in the shell terminal and let's zoom it a little bit. Let's go to C desktop and test slash yt directory. Here I have a directory named greetings. If I type ls greetings, I have some files inside. Let's change our directory to that. Now if I type cat in any of this directory, if I press tab button two times, as you can see, they are showing the files that we can add as a parameter. That did not include the hi.tar because it is not a text or readable file format file. So let's see the content of hi4.txt. I think it has some content. So hi4.txt and hit enter. As you can see, it shows the content of that file. So you can add this to some other file. You can view multiple file at the same time. Let's say which one of them has some content. So let's get hello.txt and it has nothing. So let's add something to this, or let's create something. Let's add something to hello.txt and let's say xyz, and I will save this. Now we can view multiple files at the same time using cat. So for that, all you need is just type cat and then the files that you want to view the content of. So I want to view the content of hi4.txt and hello.txt. If I hit enter, as you can see, they view the content of hi4.txt and then view the content of hello.txt, which is xyz. So now we can even write this to a new file. So let's do it using the double angle. The single angle will create the difference between these two is that let's do it. If let's say I want to create a file that already exists in these files, so it will override that completely and remove the current content and will add the new content that from this file as a source. So in the double angle will append this content to the end of that file. So let's we don't have, let's I want to create output .txt file which does not exist. So it will write the content of these two files into output.txt file. So if I hit enter, now if I type ls, here we have output.txt. So let's see the content of output.txt. Hopefully it should have the content of both hi4 and hello.txt file abc and xyz. So you can now I use the single angle parameter or symbol. So now if I do the same again and it is executed, now it should we should have the output.txt. If I get the content of that file, it is the same as the previous one. And now if I try the double angle and hit enter, now if I get the content of output.txt, you can see it is appended at the end. So it appends the content at the end of the output file. So you can use any of them. Now let's see the main page of cat to see a lot of information. It shows take a showing all, and here I find the n. I'm interested in this one. So here I have output.txt file. Let's say I want to find how many lines this file has. So for that, all you need is just type cat tag n and then output.txt, the file name that you want to see the content of. So here as you can see, they are showing the file the content and the line number. So line number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it has 4 lines. That is that. Now if I see the main page of cat command, here there showing a lot of information in the parameters that we can apply to show table, display tab, characters as equivalent, and so on and so forth. So the main use is to view the content of the file and uh, concatenate more files, concatenate files and print the content of the files. So that is the main use of cat and Unix or Linux based systems.